perform these first 3 cattleman's cracks just at regular pace. We're using these to make sure our form is where it needs to be. Then for our second set, we're going to slow down, really feel the whip come behind you, and then push forward. And now for this third set, do these 3 cattleman's cracks just as slow as you can. Really let the whip extend and come behind you, and then push forward as slow as you can. There are 3 different guidelines for level 2. The first is that your freestyle be no more than a minute long. The second is that you perform at least 2 different types of cracks. The third is that you perform your freestyle at the pace that you reached at the end of level 1. You can use level 1 as a warm-up to get to that slow speed, and then go for your freestyle. You can do this two-handed if you want to. You can change planes, change sides, change hands. Be creative with it and have fun, but go slow. The guidelines for the level 3 freestyle are to keep it within 1 minute, crack at the slow pace, and use at least 3 different cracks. And now you're also required to incorporate different elements of movement into your freestyle as well. Some movement elements that you can incorporate are stepping in time with your cracks. You can also crack and then use an extra swing to pivot and change directions. You can also crack and lean from side to side from a low stance. I really like the feeling of this movement. You can also incorporate any tosses in your freestyle. This is just a regular no-beat toss. You're also encouraged to use body wraps and any contact moves that you've learned from previous challenges. This level is also open to two-handed submissions. If you think you're ready, definitely give it a try. Always remember to wear eye, face, and ear protection when trying new moves. And remember, go slow.